Here's a little math puzzle for you to consider. The first 3 lines should give you enough information to find the solution for the 4th line. If you want some time to think this over, go ahead and press pause right now. The first line tells you that 1 pineapple plus a second pineapple plus a third pineapple equal 30. With that information, you can figure out that each pineapple is worth 10. Next you have 2 apples plus a pineapple equal 20. You know the pineapple's worth 10, so 2 apples plus 10 equal 20. Then 2 apples have to equal 10, or 1 apple equals 5. Here's 1 apple plus 2 bananas plus 2 bananas equal 13. We know the apple's worth 5, so 2 bananas plus 2 bananas must equal 8. Therefore, 2 bananas equal 4. 1 pineapple equals 10, 1 apple equals 5, 2 bananas equal 4. So what will be the answer when you have 1 apple plus 1 pineapple multiplied by 1 banana? If 2 bananas equal 4, then 1 banana must equal 2. Therefore, 1 apple plus 1 pineapple times 1 banana must be the same thing as 5 plus 10 times 2. If you think the answer is 30, then you forgot about one of math's most important rules. The order of operations are rules that tell us which mathematical procedure to perform first. You can remember it by the word PEMDAS. With PEMDAS, you would do anything in parentheses first, next you would do any exponents, then you can do either multiplication or division, and lastly, you would do addition and subtraction. With this in mind, you can look at our math problem, 5 plus 10 times 2. The first thing you have to do is the 10 times 2, which gives you 20, and then you can do your addition. 20 plus 5 gives us the correct answer of 25. Thank you for watching. This has been Bob's Workshop.